Hi, I'm Paul Heney, VP and Editorial Director for Design World. This month, WTWH was proud to announce the winners of the inaugural LEAP Awards. An independent judging panel of 18 engineers selected the finalists and winners, and they were honored at a gala dinner event that was held in Costa Mesa, California on December 11th. The dinner was held in conjunction with the rapidly growing Device Talks West event. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who attended and to EE World's editor, Amy Kalnauskas, who helped me MC the evening and announce the winners. Here is a listing of the winners. In the category of Additive Manufacturing, the winner is HP Incorporated for Jet Fusion 300/500 series. Congratulations. The judges commented, "There are so many aspects of this technology that push the envelope. The material properties, print fidelity, surface finish, and print speed available with the Jet Fusion are taking 3D printing to the next level." Once again, congratulations. Now, I'd like to thank all of the manufacturers that participated in this year's first ever LEAP Awards. We look forward to seeing the innovations that will be submitted for the 2019 LEAP Awards. Nominations open on May 1st. Watch Design World online for details. Thank you.